Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Check this out. So if you are a drone pilot, one of the most fragile things on your drone, other than the gimbal, is going to be your sticks and your screen. Now, with this little cover here, I am able to protect my sticks as well as my screen, but when I'm out flying and this is up, I'm always concerned about things falling onto the screen and cracking the screen. I know it would be very expensive to have to replace it. So I was looking for a product that I thought would be a good solution for that. And that is this screen protector right here. So I have used this before on my phones and some of my tablets, but today I'm going to walk you guys how to install this on your RC or RC2 controller for your DJI drone. So let's take this guy over to the desk, unbox it, and I'll show you guys exactly how to set this up. Y'all ready? You're ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so let's take a closer look at this. This is the 9H screen protector, as you guys can see here, and it does come with the apparatus for installing it. So let's look at exactly what we get in the box. All right, guys, so some of the first things that we're greeted with is going to be some cleaning and drying towels. You get a couple of sets of those. Really nice. You get these little dust stickers to help clean your screen after you clean it. Make sure there's no residual dust. And it looks like we get some replacement pull tabs. So we get a couple of those. And we get a replacement screen. Let's see how many screens we actually get here. All right, so that's 2 screens here. And I think one is also installed on here. So that means you get a total of 3. Yes, so we have 3 screens in total. And this is how you're going to apply it. It's just going to fit right over the screen. So let's start off with cleaning the controller. So first thing first, we're going to open up the wet. Here's our little wet napkin, and we're going to use that to clean off any dust or fingerprints or anything like that off of your screen. Next, we're going to use our dry wipe. All right, so the final thing that we're going to do is use one of these to kind of remove some of the dust that may still be on the screen. And you can just go through the different corners and just go through it systematically. Wherever you think there might be dust, if you can't actually see the dust, just set up a little pattern like so, and then just go through and make sure you got all of the dust off of the screen. All right, so the next thing we're going to do, inside of the application device, you're going to pull this little tab right here. Okay. And now you guys can see this is going to fit right over our screen. Okay, so I had to remove my little shoulder strap anchors because this needs to fit completely over the screen. So now that we've already removed the inner protector, we're just going to press this down now onto the screen. You're just going to run your finger along it like so. And then you're going to pull this little tab like that. And now you can just raise this up and you'll see that it's starting to adhere to the screen. Now you may have to press it out just a little bit to get some of those air bubbles out. But over time, every one of these that I have used, the air bubbles come out. Then you can remove this other additional cover. And now you're just left with your protective screen. All right, guys, so there it is. There you have it. Your protective screen for your RC or RC2 controller is installed. So definitely give this product a look, guys. I think you're going to be happy with this. And like I said, to be able to protect this screen is something that you should definitely have on your radar. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next stream. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.